Hi, we are John and Samantha. Welcome to our channel, Vintage RV Adventures. We bought our motorhome in July 2021, and with the help of a Rob the Builder, we have spent that time rebuilding the motorhome from what was a salvage wreck. This year, we're going to complete our motorhome project, and we will soon be on our way visiting some lovely parts of the UK, when we'll also take Shelby, our German Shepherd dog, along for the ride. So please do follow our journey. We look forward to having you along. Morning guys, before we start this video, just wanted to share a little bit of information for you. We're absolutely chuffed to bits. So we have 50,000 views. 50,000 views on the channel now, which is amazing for us at least anyway, because we've only got 42 videos on there. So that's pretty good that, 50,000 times people have watched our videos, so we love that idea.
It is, it's good, it's very good.
427 subscribers so far to date, so this is, yeah.
Come on guys, just a couple of buttons away, it doesn't cost anything, it helps us out as well, so please keep watching, keep subscribed please.
Thanks guys, and hope you enjoy the video that's coming up now.
Please do.
Take it.
Morning guys, Monday morning, start of a new week. We've obviously told you about the doors and what we're going to do with the doors. We're going to strip them down and take all the paint off, back to the bare wood, sand them all down and repaint them, which is part of the job this week. Not something I'm looking forward to because I am not feeling 100%. I have taken a few tablets, they're keeping me going at the moment, but it's a job that needs to be done, and I hope you guys enjoy what we're going to do. I'm not going to show you the mundane stuff when we're stripping paint off doors, guys. We're going to show you the end products and how far we get down the road. So I'll speak to you guys again in a little while.
Right, that's looking pretty smart there, Rob.
It is. We've actually a bit of a...
Not feeling very well, both of us, this week, are we? No. Just put that on the record out there.
We've managed to get all the paint off, and now we've just put the undercoat, and now we've finished this on the inside of the doors. Yeah. What I'm going to do is hang these and then paint them while the doors have been hung on the face of the doors. It's just so I don't get any bits on the back of it or anything else. Yeah. Or anything else. It's
they're looking smart, aren't they?
Yeah, it looks good. I think that's the colour you were looking for as well.
Yep,
they matched
indeed.
it quite well, didn't they?
Yep, very good.
So I think we're on a winner now, and the good thing is, John, the paint's drying, which is sweet.
So Rob has been busy doing some primering and some painting. Just get a quick glance across these here. So this is the strip across the kitchen and the bed area. So you want to talk us through, Rob, what you've been doing here? What
we've done now is taken them back, as I said. We've undercoated them and put the finished product on the inside, but what I've done is left the paint until last. It's only going on with a roller, but I know you can get a close in on that one there.
That looks really good, Rob.
That is the finished product.
I am chuffed with it. You know what? I mean, that's that B&Q paint.
It is.
It's rolled on.
Yeah, it is.
And I am going to say that looks better than the first bit of painting we did with the spray gun. It looks cleaner. It looks like there's less imperfections.
We tell us how many times it's been rubbed down and brought back. Fine. But as I say, it gives you an idea, but that's going to be the finished product. And then I'm going to roll these.
Maybe sorry, it's one of them things, Rob. It was meant to be, because that does look good.
Yeah, but the annoying part is, John,
it took forever.
It took us 2 weeks to realise it, which is obviously.
Oh my Lord.
This should have been done a good week.
But we've got that finish as well, ain't we? Look, it's not that shiny finish. It's just that sort of eggshell finish.
That's what we were looking
It looks
for.
really nice.
Yeah.
And there's no scratches in there.
No, nothing at all.
It's really good.
So
no, I'm chuffed with that.
We're going to give these a bit of a light rub down as well, just before I roll them.
Yep.
Now, just in case anybody's wondering, guys, it's a simple plane, and they're called gloss rollers. On a roller, on a brush, and all you do is roll the thing on. Very simple idea.
It's like a foam, isn't it?
Yeah, it's not brushed on, it's rolled on.
Yep.
Just in case anybody was asking.
Cool. So at this point, guys, we're just going to get a quick look around where Rob is with things at the moment. So this is the little kitchen those doors have had their coat, and that one's had a coat as well. We'll just move around.
Still waiting for some.
Oh,
sorry, John.
Yep.
Waiting for some clips to turn up.
Yes.
We haven't got the clips yet, so that's the reason why the doors are open.
Yes, indeed. Toilet door is in primer.
Yep.
That's ready to go now for the final coat.
Yep. We managed to get one done in here.
And in the back room, the living room quarter, we got one done. Again, look at that. It's beautiful, Rob.
It's finished.
Absolutely beautiful. And then one in primer that side. Indiana, look at that. And then
We've got two over there to do.
two in primer there.
I will come back to you guys in a little while and let you know and show you what we've actually done and finished it. Okay guys, there we go. Hopefully you can see that they've been painted and they do look quite stunning. That's the bottom part of the kitchen. Just in case some of you were wondering what this plastic is here, we put this on just to get a bit of a protection while we're still working on the RV. We've also managed now to actually get the skirting down there done. And I think what we're going to do, you see that, these will possibly be filled and painted in, and this is probably going to be painted in as well. Not sure what we're going to do with that yet, but just to give you an idea of what they look like above the kitchen. There you can see some of them are still open, not closed all of them yet, but I think you'll agree that does look very, very good indeed. It's only taken 3 weeks to get there, but hey ho. Okay guys, this is the toilet door that we fitted, and we've got a trim around the toilet door. You can see the white trim there, and there's a white trim at the top there, but what we don't like is these little white devil horns sticking out here. So what we're going to do, we can't trim them because there's no paper on them, so we're just going to touch those up with some paint just to make it blend in a little bit more. It's just one of the things that we've done because we curved the corners, and we can't do anything really about it, so we'll make sure they blend in. Okay guys, I've noticed as we've been coming into the motorhome, these doors look fantastic, but I've noticed that this is white and your feet started kicking in the kitchen. So we've got a kickboard on the other side by the door, which John suggested to put up to stop any damage of the wallpaper. So we've come up with the idea of actually putting another kickboard up here in grey, just to stop any marks coming on, because as I say, you don't really realise what you're doing when you're doing it. So I think a kickboard on there painted grey would look neat and smart and come over the product as well. And we're also going to put one on this side as well. Take that right there. You can see where you stand at the corner. We're going to put one across there as well in grey. But this is the kitchen part, and I think it's an ideal place to do it. And I almost forgot the little door opener below the oven. You can see there. We've now got this one that opens and closes. It's a nice little space for whatever she wants to put in there. Okay, as I mentioned previously, the shower seals hasn't turned up, but we know this is in situ, this is in the place where we want it to be. So what I'm going to do is leave that trap in for now and just use the contact adhesive to spray both sides of this. Let me just put some of that paper there to stop any of the adhesive from coming back. Now the idea is spray both sides, do that section left and back, and then what we're going to do is take the trap out and place it in the other side. But we know once this side is sucked down, we know it's in the right place. So all it is, guys, is a bit of spray adhesive. I'm hoping you guys can get that. God, this stuff stinks. Jesus Christ. Oh. Unfortunately, I can't roll this back straight away. You have to give it 2 or 3 minutes just to go off. And once that's gone off, we can roll it back. Okay, guys, that's been off for a couple of minutes. What we're going to do stick that down. That's made a good contact. And that's in situ now. Okay, good. And then what we can do is undo this baby. Once it starts. Come on, screw so long. Okay, I'll undo that, and we can take that out. You can see where the trap is, and then what we're going to do is roll this one back, guys, spray it, and then put it back down, and we know it's in situ. So, all done. Make sure you give it a good covering and cover every inch of the surface, both surfaces that you're putting it to. Oh God, that sticks. And then once again, just give it a few minutes to go off, and then you should be good to go. There we go. Okay, there we go. That's that one done. Alright. And amazingly, it fits. There you have your floor installed. I'll just put that there. Let's keep putting that down. Once that's installed, I'll hold it in place as well. Screwdriver. Well, it's not a screwdriver, it's a chisel, because these are such big wide screw heads. Any way I could get it, it's an old chisel, but we can sharpen it back up. Make sure that's nice and tight, and you've got nowhere for the water to go apart from down in the trap. Now, if water does get underneath there, it's going to go through the lino, it's going to come inside the cup and still go back down in the same place. So you've got a nice watertight fitting, and that is below the surface, which means you shouldn't have any build up of water. There you go, one floor laid. Right, this is the end of the bed. I don't know whether you can remember, guys, that the idea was to have some flooring, panel flooring, and put the flooring up the side of this panel where it is. Sammy was having a look at it yesterday, and she's come up with the idea of using the paint, because we've still got plenty of paint left, to actually just paint this grey, and because it's a hardened paint as well, it'll take away all the knocks, and it might look as effective, if not better, than putting the fork panels on the side. I think the best thing we can do is try it. Everybody have a look at it, and we can make a decision from there. See where we go. There you go, guys, another week. Slightly disappointing that we didn't get the materials for the shower, but we've had some confirmation just to say that all the materials are coming on Monday morning, which means we can get the shower done next week. We have got a little bit done in the shower, but I hope you guys enjoy it. You can see we've made quite a bit of progress now with the doors, and thank God they're all put up. Unfortunately, this week everybody's been slightly poorly, so work's been a little bit slower than normal, but we've managed to get a fair bit done. Hope you guys enjoy this video, and please support us, guys. It's just a couple of clicks away, and as I say, we've got some more content for you next week as well, so hope you enjoy. Take care.
Bye bye.